Hello! If you are new to AutoCAD and you want to draw your first floor plan, this video will show you the exact steps, simple and beginner friendly. My name is Radu, I'm a structural engineer from Romania, and on this channel I'll help you learn practical drafting skills in AutoCAD. So in order to start, write down the command units. Click enter. I'll choose decimal. I will choose the precision with 2 decimals, and depending on your country, you can either choose the metric or the imperial system. I will go with the centimeters because in Romania we use the metric system. Click OK. The second step now that we have to make is to make the layers for our floor plan. So go with the command layer, click enter, and a window which is called Layer Properties Manager will show up to you. So click on this button, which is new layer, and write down the name walls. Click enter. I'll choose a dark brown for a masonry wall and a line weight of 0.3 millimeters. Then click on walls, new layer, walls scene, and the line weight of 0.50 millimeters. Again, click again on walls, new layer. We're gonna make a layer for the window frame. I'll choose this color, but feel free to choose whatever color do you like. And another layer for my window, for my glass. Window glass. Alright. You can close now the layer properties manager. Now we are going to draw our walls. Select the layer walls from the layer bar. Write down the command POLYLINE. Click enter. Specify your first point and write down 500 centimeters. 500 in this direction. 100 again. And then close and press space. So now you have the outer face of your walls. So in order to draw the thickness of your walls, write the command offset, click space, specify a distance. I will choose 30 centimeters, click space again, select, and then right click on the inside part. So now we have a wall, a complete wall of 30 centimeters thick. Okay, so now we're going to draw our first window. Write down the command POLYLINE, click on the center of the wall, and then click on the outer face. Write down the command offset, and we say that we have 100 centimeters. We then click again offset, offset, and we erase the middle part. We click from left to the right to select our lines, and then we write down the command trim. We trim our first hole in the walls, which is for the window. Then we select the wall scene. We write down the command rectangle. We specify a point, and then we specify the second point, and we created the hole for our window. So now that we have created the hole for our window, we are going to draw the window itself. In the layer manager, select the window frame. And now for the window frame, we're going to use the command rectangle. We click on the midpoint, and then we write D from dimension. We click space, and we need to specify the length for our rectangles. So we're gonna go 5 space 5 space, and now we have a rectangle 5 by 5. Click on the other side, and now we have a rectangle 5 by 5. Just select this rectangle, copy on the other side, and we have the frame. In order to draw the window glass, we are going to select the window glass layer, write down the command polyline, and make a polyline like this, and then click, copy it to the other side, and this is our window. Now that our window is done, we are going to draw the door. So write down the command polyline, select this point, click again, select from left to right, copy this line 90 centimeters to the left, give it the same properties with the command match prop. Match prop, select the source objects, and then select our lines. Select again the line from left to right, write down the command trim, and you make the hole for the window. Now, copy the frame from our window in order to make the door frame. Copy again, and make a rectangle of 5 by 80. Match props again. And for the arc, which let us understand the direction of the door, use the command arc. Arc, specify first point, specify another point, and then the final one. You can stitch it like this from the middle. Guys, our first floor plan is ready. We have a complete window, a complete door, and the outer walls. So if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.